So, hello everyone. This is going to be a quick tutorial on how I fry chicken with my air fryer. Now, of course, the air fryer is much safer to use. It's less grease and you don't have to worry about all that fat. So let's get started. So this is the power air fryer that I will be using. I've already breaded some of the chicken and I actually use this. And y'all know I'm hood. So I shook it up. Let me show you. I shook it up in the plastic bag so it's in there. So what I did, because I already have some cooked already, and I'll show you that in a minute. See this? This is canola oil. So what I do first is I spray it. Watch. Just spray. And then I take the chicken out, and they're chicken pieces. See? Already breaded. And I put it in. When I tell you guys this cuts time in half, you don't have to worry about grease popping. You don't have to worry about all of that heat turning on your stove. This air fryer is the bomb. So I'm going to put 4 pieces in. So then it's already plugged in, okay? So you close it. So now, because we're doing chicken, I press this right here. This is start. And then I press memory. I think that's what that's for. Mode. I'm sorry, mode. And that's for fries. That's for chicken. So then I press this. And now it's cooking. So the time on here automatically set for 20 minutes. And I think it's at, and it's at 360 degrees. So I'm going to give it about 5 minutes. And I'm going to come back and show you guys what the chicken looks like. Okay guys, so it has been 5 minutes and let's see what we have going on. So one thing about this air fryer, you do not have to stop it. Watch this. As soon as you open it, it will automatically stop. So I'm going to touch it. It's warm, but it's not hot to the touch. See? Now, let's see what we have. Okay, now you see how that looks like it still has a lot of batter on it? Let me show you guys a little secret. Spray canola oil or butter on the chicken prior to putting it in the pan. Alright guys, so this has been the full 20 minutes. And I didn't want this batch to be really, really dark. So this is what this one looks like. And this is the one that I made earlier. I put this one on about 30 minutes because I wanted it really, really crispy. But this is how it looks after 20 minutes. See? All right, again, thanks for watching. I'm gonna put it on a little bit longer.